Hey, what's up? This is the last video about UMIDIGI Power. We already made unboxing, performance test and battery test. You can watch all these videos by the links in description. As you understand, today we have the camera test. It seems that the main sensor of UMIDIGI Power is the same as UMIDIGI F1. Is the image quality the same? You can watch camera test of UMIDIGI F1 and compare photos. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. UMIDIGI Power has dual camera on the rear panel, 16 megapixels main sensor with f1.8 aperture and 5 megapixels secondary sensor. The front camera has 16 megapixels resolution. Before looking at real sample photos, I want to show you camera app. UMIDIGI Power has the same camera app as UMIDIGI F1. The shooting modes include bokeh, beauty, picture and video. The photo settings menu looks like this. Here you can see anti-shake, self-timer, picture size and other options. The maximum video resolution is Full HD. Also, there is electronic image stabilization in the video settings menu. Let's start with photos in daylight. As you can see, the pictures are good. The colors are accurate. I think that the photos quality on UMIDIGI Power doesn't differ from images quality on UMIDIGI F1. Most likely, they have the same main sensor. From other side, UMIDIGI Power has 5 megapixels secondary sensor, while UMIDIGI F1 comes with 8 megapixel sensor. This could mean that bokeh effect is worse on the new phone, but I don't think so. The phone blurs the background quite accurate. I like it. 16 megapixels front camera makes a good selfies. There is nothing to add. I was really impressed by photos in low light conditions on UMIDIGI F1. It seems that UMIDIGI Power makes similar images. The details are good. The pictures are not overexposed. Although there is no night mode on UMIDIGI Power, you can still take good photos at night. As I already said, UMIDIGI Power shoots video in maximum resolution Full HD. The video is too sharp, don't you think so? It looks unrealistic. It was the last video about UMIDIGI Power. I can make a conclusion about this mobile device. UMIDIGI Power has almost the same design as UMIDIGI F1 and F1 Play. The display and battery are the same, and they are good for the phone with price tag of $140. However, UMIDIGI Power has much weaker processor, Helio P35, so the performance is lower than the previous phones. You cannot play heavy games on this mobile device. The camera is a nice surprise. As for me, the photos quality is not much different from the same UMIDIGI F1. So if you don't play games on smartphone and you don't need high performance, then UMIDIGI Power is a good option for you. However, if gaming is important, then it is better to buy UMIDIGI F1. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.